I have always been intrigued with video, but growing up in a rural area, I really thought, oh, that's just way above anything that I could ever do. That's just for somebody else in this world, and I just didn't think that that was something that I could attain to. But as the economy started to tank in 2007, I had to look at different ways to take my art. So I decided I would take my art forms to behind the computer. And I went to school for graphic design. And lo and behold, while I was there, I found out that there was a video production program. And I looked into it and I signed up. And lo and behold, here I am doing video all these years later. And, like I said, it was just a fantasy of mine. And while I was in the program, I excelled to become a great producer. In fact, I even won an award being the best producer of our class. I've always been in a creative space of art form or something, and now I have brought it to video. And with this passion of creativity, a story has to be creative levels. And so I call it my 360 approach. So I work with people to bring to life their videos, their passions, help them bring out their passions and their expertise of their businesses with the ease of teaching them how to make your own videos. I call it my 360 approach. That is the three P's: the planning, the prepping, and the practice in front of the camera and behind the camera, all the way from conception of the idea of your video up to the editing of your video and then uploading it onto the different platforms that you can use to share your videos.